it's Victoria. Welcome in. A lot of our favorite brands have amazing sales going on right now, and it's super hard to resist uh, these bags and these sales that we have going on. So I have three bags that I'm going to show you real quick that I got recently within the past week and a half. Two are from Marc Jacobs and one is from Coach. You saw me pick up this beautiful girl yesterday from Coach Retail, and I had her as my bag of the day today. In fact, she's still dressed up. Um, yeah, so this bag, this is the Kiss Lock 27 from Coach. Coach does not have her on sale. Dillard's does. So at Dillard's, she is currently $247.50. I showed you that yesterday when I did my little walkthrough at Coach. So I did see her on sale at Dillard's. I messaged my essay, and he honored the price that Dillard is selling this purse for, and so I got her for the sale price. So my Coach store will always honor any sale products at any other retailer if the bag is in their store. So I love them for that. But welcome, I'm Victoria, and this is a contemporary handbag channel. So if you've never been here before, thank you for stopping by, checking me out. I hope you like my contents, and I really truly hope that you stay if you like what you see on this channel. And if you are one of my friends who's returning, I do appreciate your support very sincerely. So thank you so much. Okay, so let me just quickly tell you about these two bags, okay? So during the 4th of July sale, Marc Jacobs had a 30% off on the bags or the products that were listed as sale products, plus an additional 25%. So this is the large dual bag from Marc Jacobs. So the 30%, the bag was, I think, $336, somewhere there. I'll put the exact price in the video for you, but with the additional 25% off, I paid about $225 plus tax. And of course, shipping was free. I will do an actual review on this bag at some point soon because I love this bag so much. Today, though, I just want to kind of show her to you real quick, okay? So this is a very beautiful, smooth, soft, and supple leather. This bag, in my opinion, is comparable to the Tabby 36, the the newer Tabby. I'm gonna show you it. I'm not doing a review right now. Let me just tell you about this bag, and when I do the actual review, I'll compare her to the Tabby bag. I think it's very comparable, but she's stunning. The interior is one open compartment. Look at that very bright neon yellow lining. Almost the color of my nails. So cute. Anyway, so she just came recently. Love her so much. She's that oversized bag. She was my bag of the day this week. This bag you can convert into, make her into a clutch. When I do the review again, I will show you how I do it. But actually, maybe I should just show you. So you kind of pull the strap. Of course, you would tuck this part in, but then she becomes a clutch. Look how chic. Friends, just look at this. You can't tell me this is not chic. This is stunning. I love this about this bag. So soft and supple. So it's the black one. And then let me sort of do an unboxing. Even though unbagging, even though I've already looked at her, I couldn't wait. Same bag. This is the large dual, but this is the calf hair. I mean, really? Look at this. Can you tell me? Can you stand this? Do you see how incredibly stunning this bag is? Friends, come on. Look at that detail. Oh, this bag is everything. So pretty. I mean, Marc Jacobs he's so good. He is so good, friends. I love his stuff. I can't wait to style this bag for you. She is so cute. And again, that oversized clutch look. So chic. Yep. So she's also currently on sale. The price is at 30% off. So she's $2.99. I think it's $2.99 is still a fantastic price. Look at that bag. That's it. So I just wanted to come and show you these bags. I have one more bag coming from Dillard's, and that bag is the Brook flap chain bag. Let me see if I have that real quick. I think it's over here. No, I'm sorry. I thought I had her over here. But I do have a video on the Brook flap chain bag from Coach. I'm getting her from Dillard's in the Love Denim print or fabric. It's on sale right now. It was $150. I'll pop a picture in this video so you know what I'm talking about. But that bag is stunning. So I did order that one. It's coming from Dillard's. I'm trying to be good only because Coach is releasing some new bags in 2 to 3 weeks. And they have all these goodies on sale. It's so hard to resist kind of what's going on right now. But yeah, so there's 1 or 2 things that I may want from the drop that's coming up. So I'm trying to save some of my coins and not go crazy right now with all this sale stuff. But the sales are really, really good on Coach and Dillard's, and I think I was looking, and Macy's has some good stuff too. But again, I'm just trying to kind of control myself a little bit. And that's it, friends. This is just a quick video. I just wanted to, just show you real quickly these bags. Okay, if you like the content, please subscribe and share the video, and it does help me out. Thank you, friends. Bye now.